Good evening, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So, the most beautiful Audi A3. It's a little 1.6 TDI Sportback SE 6-speed manual diesel. Beautiful Shiraz red metallic, unusual colour. Pretty unmarked throughout this car. 82,000 miles, 2 owners from new. Cam belt replaced at 54,000 miles. Now what a great car, because it's ULEZ, so it's Euro 6. It's 6-speed manual diesel. It's free tax, so really economical. It's priced at 6,995. It has sat-nav, Bluetooth for your phone with music playback, cruise control, DAB radio, 2 keys. What a beautiful, beautiful thing. Alloys, unmarked, good tyres, MOT for 11 months. Super clean. Oh, I'll take my glasses off the front seat. Super clean. So, yeah, cruise control. Satellite navigation. Air conditioning's freezing. As I say, DAB radio, Bluetooth, cruise control, rear park sensors. Super clean throughout. No dents, no scratches, no curbing to the alloys, no corrosion, no scuffed bumpers. Parcel shelf as new in the boot. Lovely. You know, space saver, spare wheel, jack, toolkit, wheel brace. 2 Audi remote central locking keys that aren't falling apart. Obviously super economical, cheap to run, free tax, goes quite well. 1.6 TDI 6-speed manual diesel. Front fogs. Euro 6 ULEZ compliant, free tax, all electric windows, electric mirrors, driver's seat, immaculate. Pretty sure we've got the fitted mats as well. Lovely satellite navigation, multifunction steering wheel, air conditioning, electric handbrake, cruise control. What a lovely car. £6,995. Somebody's really looked after this car. Lovely colour too. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last 10 years. You can thumb through those. Now, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get a little notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know about it. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.